Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to tweet something on the Twitter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. And after that, click on this plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Here you should type in your tweet that you want to post. And after that, select whether you would like to set it to public or choose your audience and create a Twitter circle by tapping on the edit button. Here you can select your Twitter circle. But if you set it to public, you can also control who would you like to allow to reply to your post. You can select everyone, people you follow, or only people you mention in your post. As you can see down below, you can also add audio recordings or your space, which is a live audio conversation on Twitter. If you tap on this second button, you can add an audio recording. The third one is is your gallery, basically, so you can upload pictures from your photos. The fourth one is GIFs, so you can insert GIFs. Here you can search for them by typing in a keyword into the search bar at the top. And you can also add your location to this photo. If you tap on this plus button, you can add another tweet to it. If you are done with it and would like to tweet your post, tap on the tweet button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, your tweet has been sent, so you can see it here. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.